The GGetFile function is a powerful tool used to open a file selection dialog within scripts. This allows users to interactively choose a file from their device, which the script can then use for various purposes, such as loading data, executing commands, or configuring settings. The function is particularly useful for creating dynamic and user-friendly scripts that require input files. The function can accept up to 2 optional parameters: a message or title that appears at the top of the file selection dialog. This helps guide the user in selecting the right file, and the initial directory that the file dialog will open to. This allows you to specify a default location for the file selection, making it easier for users to find the file they need. If no parameters are provided, the function will use default values for both the prompt and the directory. This script is designed to select and read its own content. The GGetFile function is used without any parameters, so it will open the dialog with default settings. If file path is nil, it means no file was selected. This step is crucial for verifying that there is a valid file path before proceeding to open and read the file. The subsequent if file check is used to handle cases where the file might not be accessible or readable, even if a file path was provided. This helps in managing situations where the file may exist but fails to open or read due to permissions, file corruption, or other issues. In essence, the initial file path check ensures a file was selected, while the internal if file check deals with issues related to the file's readability. If the file is opened successfully, it reads the entire content and closes the file. An alert is shown to confirm that the file content was loaded, and the content is printed to the console. The GGetFile function is used to locate and select files from various directories on the device. This includes seeking out specific files needed for the script to operate or to find files that users want to load or manipulate. The function is often used in conjunction with ggmakeRequest to facilitate downloading, updating, or overwriting files.